6 days later.
I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. So can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. My mama told me don't talk to people you haven't met. I guess my mama was right, but it's not 'cause everybody you meet is dangerous, but 'cause they'll break your heart. 'Cause she plays it so cool, making up her own rules, and I'm a loser for thinking I've got any shot in the dark. Now it's hitting me hard. Tell me, what am I supposed to do? 'Cause I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. Still can't help falling in love.
Hey guys! Welcome to Abu Dhabi. Dito tayo sa Yasmo kasi punta tayo ng Ferrari World. Papasyal ko ang mga bagets, ang mga bisita ko. Bisita! Parang kasing bisita ko din sila, kahit si Ella lang yung bisita naman talaga. So, ayun sila oh. So, interview natin si Ella. La, kamusta naman ang bakasyon?
Ayun. Feeling vacationista.
Mike!
Feeling vacation. Hello. Hirap maging vlogger.
How about you? What can you say? Hello vlog!
I love you, Mama. I miss you.
Wow! Pinapayak naman ako dito ni Cassie. Siyempre, miss namin lagi kapatid na namin si Michelle. Sabi nila 4 years ago daw or bago mag-pandemic, hindi na sila nagbibigay ng free abaya. So pag pumunta kayo dito, magdala na lang kayo ng abaya nyo. Kasi may mga mas mura tulad sa Day to Day, Greenhouse. Kasi dito lahat ng abaya nila is nag-start ng 45 dirhams. So ayun, pagkasos ka pa sa abaya, dati free lang mo. Bye! O diba guys, nandito naman kami ngayon sa Riverland. So guys, ayan, nandito naman kami ngayon sa Riverland. Ayan, galing kami na Abu Dhabi. Since on the way siya in weekdays, walang masyadong tao. As you can see, tinan mo naman, walang masyadong parking. So sabi ni Kuya, kung Riverland lang naman yung pupuntahan namin is 20 dirhams and no need for booking. So yung Riverland, para siyang yung Europe tingish side ng Dubai. Para may Europe feels like siya. So, ipapasyal kasi namin si Tita Ella. At Tita Ella, say hello!
Hi guys!
Tourista mode. So, ayan, let's go guys. And just enjoy watching our vlog. And baka naman, pwedeng pa-subscribe na rin. Thank you!
the next day.
Center.
Hi, Father. Favorite mall mo. Nalamangan na naman kita.
Lani yung vloggers be like.
Vloggers
May
be
pa-discount.
like, coupons everywhere.
Discount everywhere.
Gusto niyo ng discount, magsama kayo ng vlogger lagi.
Correct. Check.
Tipid.
Tipid modes 101.
Yes.
Gulat si Ella, oh. Magkano ng binayaran? Mura lang? Ang mura daw na binayaran namin. Tapos hintay lang namin yung drinks. Sana all Dunkin' Donut. Thank you, Dunkin' Donut. Yes! Matcha and
Ano ba to? Lotus cheesecake.
Lotus cream cheese.
Yeah, because I know she would want.
Ice scratch tape is there? Okay, let's go. Kasi magluluto si Ate Ella ng cheesecake at yung utang ko sa kanyang kimchi rice. Diba? Sana all. Wala ba yung medyo nila? Namili na din tayo ng pasalubo para unti-unti na, no? Uwi ko pong Dubai kasi para mga thunder. Thunder, shout out. Thunder. Favorite mo. Bulot ka? Parang Pink Club, hello. Lawakan mo lang. Hawakan mo lang. Pag ginano mo kaya yung kamay mo dyan, no? Yan nga, lobster. Again, hello si Pink Club. Ah, nagamba. Yan, laki guys. Ang laki. Ang laki ng Pink Club. Milk powder. Oh, na, camel milk.
Get something from me?
Like,
I think the